Former Finance Minister and Citizens Coalition for Change co-Vice President Dzotungana Biti has dumped the main opposition political party, saying he is taking a sabbatical away from politics as he goes on a soul-searching break. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where I give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Biti, who was supposed to take over as CCC president from the current leader Welshman Ncube on a rotational basis, said he had withdrawn from politics to focus on other spaces that can help to remove the ruling ZANU-PF party from power. The outspoken former legislator disowned the statement made by self-imposed CCC spokesperson Jacob Mafume that they had held a meeting which agreed to make him, Ncube, and Linet Kaireni co-rotational leaders of the party following the resignation of Nelson Chamisa from the CCC. In today's news, Biti dumps Welshman CCC. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.